Hello students, today we are going to study the first chapter of grammar, sentences. So, what is a sentence? If we see a word, we can see a word is formed of letters which are arranged alphabetically and which makes total sense. So, similarly to a word, a sentence is a group of words which makes total sense. That means we can understand them. So, when do we use sentences? When we speak to someone, we use sentences. We speak in full sentences. When we write something down in any language, we write it down in sentences. So, to write down a sentence, we have to follow some sets of rules. There are only two rules. First, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So, as you have learned, proper nouns and common nouns begin with capital letters and small letters. But in a sentence, even a common noun can be in a capital letter and even a proper noun. The first letter of a sentence should always be in a capital letter and the end of the sentence should always be in full stop. It can either be in an exclamation mark or a question mark if it is an interrogative sentence or an exclamatory sentence. So let's see a few group of words and understand them. Read the given group of words, okay? First, to water swim the. Second, this no print here. Third, so put it. But he did not. So tell me students, are these four sentences a proper sentence? These are just group of words. There is no capital letter and there is no full stop in the end. And the words do not make any sense. So, these are the rules. So, these are not the sentences. These are not proper sentences. Let's see some examples of proper sentences. Rearrange this sentence. Rahul, batsman great is a. So these are just random words. You have to arrange it in a sentence with a capital letter and with a full stop. So let's see the answer of this. Rahul is a great batsman. So this sentence makes proper sense. It has a capital letter and a full stop. Let's see another example. Like maths teacher I the. These are again some random words which do not make sense. Let's arrange them. I like the maths teacher. This is a proper sentence. Now next one, you should be able to do it on your own. Runs the horse fast very. The answer is the horse runs very fast. This is a proper sentence. Tells us the time clock. This is not a sentence. Let's convert it into one. The clock tells us the time. See, in all the examples we saw, first letter was always capital and there was always a full stop in the end. So always remember that. Mohan, his brushing teeth is. Mohan is brushing his teeth. So these are the sentences and let's try to correct them. So take a notebook, pause the video and try to write the answers on your own and then play the video and check the answers, okay? So let's read these sentences. We can see all the letters are in capital and there is full stop in the end. But do these sentences make any sense? Tall is the building very. Healthy is water, drink a coconut. Bright, it is sunny and today. Math, I learning, love. So these are just random words. So you have to correct them. Pause this video, take your notebook and try to write down the correct answers and then play the video. So let's see the correct answers of these sentences. The building is very tall. Coconut water is a healthy drink. It is bright and sunny today. Math, I love learning math. Okay? I hope your answers were correct. So open your grammar workbooks to chapter 1, the sentence. Let's try to solve the workbook questions. A. Tick the group of words which are sentences. So you have to read these sentences and you have to know which are the real sentences and which are not. So you should do it on your own. I will post the answers after this so you can cross-check it. Let's try to do B. Rewrite these group of words correctly to make meaningful sentences. Like you previously solved in your notebooks, you have to arrange these words again and write it down in full sentences which begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. C. Rewrite the sentence using capital letters and full stops where necessary. So this is a paragraph and by now you should know how a sentence should begin and how a sentence should end. So you have to write it down in a group of sentences. I hope students you are able to learn today about sentences.